Well, guys, as you may know, some people are having an issue with this latch not disengaging properly. As you can see, I have officially fixed it. I should have used a Dremel or a file, but I kid you not, just literally used this, and I just shaved off just a tad bit, not even a full 1/18 of an inch. The first time I went at it, it was releasing as I pressed it quick, so that just lets me know to take off just a little bit more off this tiny little spike right here. As you can see, just the slightest pressure now disengages as it should have been. Hope that helps.